What is a pure substance? Pure substances are those that have a fixed and defined chemical composition, that is, that does not vary regardless of the physical conditions in which said substance is found. In other words, pure substances remain chemically unaltered, their chemical structure does not change in their different states of aggregation. Using physical separation methods, pure substances cannot be decomposed into simpler substances, nor into their constituent elements. To decompose a pure substance, it is necessary to use chemical methods by which the substance is transformed into other substances, or into the elements that compose it. In addition, a pressure and temperature specific can be played for the pure substances, physical properties such as density, the boiling point and melting point. A clear example of a pure substance is water, simple and abundant, which can exist in liquid, gaseous or solid form, but it will always be composed of the same chemical elements, and will always respond the same to the same conditions of temperature and pressure. On the other hand, if we add salt, sugar and other substances, we alter its physical properties, and it is no longer a pure substance. In nature there is no totally pure substance, that is, substances always have some impurities added. Currently, with scientific and technological advances, it has been possible to purify substances to obtain high degrees of purity. Types of pure substances. There are two types of pure substances, differentiated from each other based on their atomic composition. Simple substances. Pure substances that are made of a single type of atoms, that is, whose molecules are composed of the same element. For example, helium, He, or oxygen, O2. Compound substances. Pure substances that are made up of two or more types of atoms. For example, water, H2O, or carbon dioxide, CO2. Examples of pure substances. Graphite is a pure substance found inside pencils. Some examples of pure substances are water, H2O, ozone, O3, carbon monoxide, CO, carbon dioxide, CO2, pure iron, Fe, sodium, Na, pure gold, O, benzene, C6H6, graphite, C, salt or sodium chloride, NaCl. Mixtures. We use mixtures constantly in our everyday life. Unlike pure substances, mixtures are made up of several physically combined components, that is, without involving chemical reactions between them. Mixtures can be separated into their individual components using different physical separation methods depending on the type of mixture. In this sense, mixtures can be classified into homogeneous mixtures, those in which the components of the mixture cannot be distinguished with the naked eye, although they can be separated by certain physical procedures. For example, salt water, cement, blood. Heterogeneous mixtures, those in which the components of the mixture are easily discernible from each other and, therefore, much easier to separate by mechanical or physical procedures. For example, gravel, confetti, water, and oil.